Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Doreen, and today we'll be talking about onion, everything you need to know about onion, its benefit and everything for the hair. So yeah, stay tuned. In today's video, I'll try to be a little bit descriptive as I'll be showing you how I make the onion juice as well as talking about it. So yeah, please stay tuned and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I'm certain that at least 99.9% of us, if not 100%, your only excuse of not knowing what an onion is probably if you're just on a vacation to planet Earth. Trust me. Anyways, onion is actually is not talked about as it should. Trust me, there's so many usefulness of it, but today I'm just going to be talking about the usefulness of onion on the hair. Trust me. And okay, I promise this is going to be a short video. I'm going to make it as short as possible, and I apologize if you can hear any background noise. I'm trying to be as silent because it's literally 2 a.m. here. But anyways, let's get into it. Right, just as I recommend in my other descriptive videos, if you're doing this for the first time, I recommend you doing a patch test first. I would explain below in my description what the patch test means, so basically it's not difficult. Onion is a rich source of sulfur that helps in follicle regeneration. It minimizes breakage and thinning due to its high sulfur content, so consistent use of onion juice will add volume to your hair. It also has antibacterial properties that helps to fight infections of the scalp. So you consistently applying onion juice to your hair will not only make your hair uninhabitable for lice, but it also help to fight dandruff and also keep your scalp healthy and free of infections, thereby promoting unhindered growth. It nourishes the hair follicles. It helps to boost the level of an antioxidant enzyme, which helps to reverse premature growing. Onion improves the blood circulation, which is another way to contribute to hair growth. So basically, what the sulfur in onion does is that it promotes collagen production, which boosts the production of healthy skin cells, especially in the scalp area. At this point, I realized I was getting away with that little grater, so I had to change it. So I was able to get the juice on the shelf, and the next thing for me to do is to sieve it. It's probably took a while, but no worries, I already shot in the video. Anyways, just like I recommend in my other descriptive videos, please, if you're trying this for the first time, I would advise you doing a patch test. I already explain what the patch test is in my description below, so please do read that before you want to try it out. Anyways, how do you apply this to your hair? It's pretty simple. So after shampooing, you just dab it into your hair for 30 minutes, especially on the roots. You focus more on the roots, and then you rinse it off. Really, that's all. But you could actually dilute the concentration if it's too much for you. Thank you. There you have it, guys. If you liked it, of course I know you would. But anyways, I'd love to hear of your reviews, your comments and everything. If you've tried it before, I'd love to hear of your experience. If you're gonna try it, please do let me know, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I just want to chip this in, this right here, okay? Please do pray for Nigeria, and help us to support the motion. Thank you. Enters.